welcome everybody. Today we're going to go Brazilian cheese puffs. The pause means everything. We're going to make Brazilian cheese puffs with a slight twist, and we're going to make it super easy. Here's your ingredients. We need 1 large egg. Eggland's best. Pretty good product. Use them whenever I can. We're also going to use 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, 2/3 cup whole milk. Any brand will do. We prefer to use something that's higher in fat because it gives a more rich and soft texture to the bread. Something else new today, we're going to use 1.5 cups of tapioca flour. You can find this at most supermarkets, and it actually doesn't taste too bad. It gives it a very unique texture, so make sure you can find finely ground tapioca flour. Very important. We are also going to freshly grate 1/2 cup of Queso Fresco cheese. So we're going to kind of keep this a little bit more authentic. Can you use any cheese you want? Sure. But since we have this in our supermarket from Cacique, we're going to use it. And finally, we're going to round off with a teaspoon of salt. Also, probably pretty important, some muffin tins. You can grease these or butter them, or we could use some ham butter spray to make sure that our cheese puffs don't stick. We'll be mixing this up today in a food processor, and let's go ahead and get started. The quicker we start, the quicker we eat. Preheat 400. Now we can get started. So we went Brazilian today. These cheese puffs are amazing. Look at that. Look at how soft. The dried cheese, that Queso Fresco. It smells beautiful. That is so good. See that smoke coming out of there? Before you go, these would be great with a very light beer, a Moscato or even a Prosecco. You could change up the cheese in here. You could use mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. You could really do whatever you want with this on the cheese side. But this Queso Fresco is amazing. I will continuously make these and make them just like this, without a doubt. Okay, I'm back. I lied. These things are really good. I'm having another one. Just look at that.